Hello. This is Akun who is sending from Yokohama. I will introduce a tool called spudger. Does it look like a spatula? Let's see. This time with my favorite tools, the spudger you don't use often. We have prepared. Have sharp edges, it's rounded. What I have now, it's an unused spudger, basically sharp. Higher chance of breaking parts, I will not use. Because thick things are easy to apply force. Used when you want to apply force, however, since it is made of metal. When removing the battery, etc., it seems that careful attention is required. Then the most important point is hardness and thickness. Check the bend with your finger. I visually check the thickness. This time, let's check the thickness using a vernier caliper. Take 2. The bending condition is a little too much. The strength is weak. How about the thickness? The root was 0.8 millimeters and the tip was 0.5 millimeters. The tip of the blade is so thin that it easily bends. I can't convey my power well. One with a tip of 0.5 millimeters. It's the best in terms of flexibility and hardness. It is hard enough to bend and check with your finger. Let's use it. The lower star screw is removed in advance. Thin and hard enough to easily fit between the panel and the outer frame. Once again, this time from a side angle, please look. I can easily enter for this reason. Choosing a spudger significantly increases repair speed. Next time preview, evolution of 3D drivers.